Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to turn off other notifications on Facebook using your PC. With the recent update, Facebook has made some changes to their notification settings. But don't worry, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's begin by opening up Facebook on your computer. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a bell icon. That's your notifications icon. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you might be tempted to start adjusting settings right away, but hold on. We need to go one step further. In the Notifications drop-down, look for three little dots. They're usually located in the top right corner of the drop-down menu. Click on those three dots. A new option will appear called Notification Settings. Click on that, and it'll take you to a page where you can manage all your Facebook notifications. On this page, you'll see various categories of notifications. We're looking for one specific category called Other Notifications. Scroll down until you find it. Once you've located Other Notifications, you'll see an option that says, Allow Notifications on Facebook. This is the key to turning off those pesky extra notifications. Simply click on the toggle switch next to it to disable these notifications. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off other notifications on Facebook. Now you won't be bothered by those less important updates, allowing you to focus on the notifications that really matter to you. Remember, you can always come back to the settings page if you want to turn these notifications back on or adjust any other notification preferences. Facebook gives you a lot of control over what you see and when you see it, so don't be afraid to explore these settings further. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Enjoy your less cluttered Facebook experience.